All this damn ringing in my head. Funny, I never noticed how these blankets feel like lead. Time to show everyone, yeah, I'm just fine. Feels like I've done this a million times. I know you're here, I can feel your stare. I wish heaven gave out. Night passes, no one would have to know. I wish you could break all the rules. I need to touch you, I need to hold you, I need you to whisper my name. Baby, while you're at it, please ask him, why does it always have to end? Back into the office, coffee in my hand like it's my first cup. Truth is, I've been up all night, I never have much luck. I want the world to stop. For me it sure did. My friends say keep busy, it will ease the hurt. They try so hard and I'm polite, but there's no book or therapy that could ease this hurt. I never know if it's my tears or some storm front, just waking up in the sweat.